Good morning, students. The next chapter is looping statements. Looping means iteration. So, iteration in the sense the answer will be the executable statements will be only one till that the iteration process are doing again and again. For a simple example, in chemistry, the solution is only one. The answer of a solution is only one till that the iterations are doing and again and again and again. So that is the logic of looping statements. So in before chapter 6, there is more statements. Echo statements are there. That is, you are fail, you are pass, you are extraordinary, you are fabulous, and more executive statements is there. But in looping statements, the answer is only one. Only one executive statements will become till that the iteration process are going in again and again. So the looping structure is useful for iteration logic. For the types of looping statements are for loop, do while loop, and for each loop. The first thing is very important, for loop. The second one is do while, and last one is for each loop. The loop do while is also called as exist loop, but is not in your book. But in examination they are asking like explain the exit loop, and while loop they are asking like explain the entry loop. So this is the other name of looping statements, do while and while. It's not in your book, but be careful, always they are asking like that only. The first is for loop. In the for loop, the syntax of for loop is the first part. In the for loop, they are having three parts. In the three parts is terminated. It's separated by the semicolon. The first part is initialization part. The first part is initialization part. And the second part is condition. And the third part is incremented or decremented. So for the executable statements, see here only one executable statements only I am giving here. For example, for PHP, for initialization, the first value, initial means first value of I. We declare the I value, first value, initial value is 0, and the each part it should separated by semicolon, not a colon, semicolon. So I is starts number is 0, and the conditioner I less than 5. I less than 5. Then next part is incremented and decremented part, that is I plus plus. The output statement is in the name of the output, the I value will be as we have to get. So first time compiler starts from 0. So the first value is applying here. So 0 is less than 10, the condition is true. So this statement will be executed. That is, the output in the name of output, the 0 will be executed. Then it will pass on to the I plus plus. That means 0 plus plus. So 0 plus plus means 0 plus 1. So that is 1. So now the ith value is 1. So it is applying here 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. So this statement will be executed. That is same statement. That is ith value is 1. So again it will move into here I plus plus. That is 1 plus plus. It is first and this second. 1 plus 1. That is 2. So again the ith value is now 2. So the 2 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. The output statement will be executed. That is true 2. And again the third one is 2 will be applied. So I plus plus in the sense 2 plus plus. 2 plus plus means 2 plus 1. That is 3. Third one is. So ith value now with 3. So 3 is less than 10. So less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. So the statement is executed. Like third ith value will be executed in the name of the output. 3 will be the executed. Next. I plus plus in the sense 3 plus plus. So 3 plus 1, it's a meaning, it's a fourth statement. So 4 will be the ith value. So 4 is less than 5. Yes, 4 is less than 5. Yes, the output statement is 4. Now it is going here. So 4 plus plus in the sense 4 plus 1, that is, it is a fifth statement. 4 plus 1 is 5. So now applying here I is equal to 5. So now you can listen here, 5 less than 5. We cannot say it is less than 5 or greater than a 5. So 5 less than 5, it is not a true, not a false. So the condition is quitting here. The output of us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if you are giving less than or equal to, suppose if you are giving I less than or equal to 5 in this, it's a meaning ith value equal to 5, that is 5 equal to 5. Yes, so now you can get 5. If you are giving just less than 5, the condition is false. If you are giving less than or equal to 5, that the output is also 5. So the looping in the sense, again and again the loop will be, the logic has to be routine here and there, iteration process again and again, but the statement is only one. It is a for loop. The second one is do while. So same program I am giving a do while statements. So do in the sense what, definitely you have to execute like that. There is no option for suppose. If I am saying do that, in the sense there is no option whether I can or not, you have to do. So the do in the sense, definitely we have to do, but while the condition is true. While in the sense suppose, here meaning do the statement while the condition is true. This is the do while syntax. Example is, we are declaring I value, the starting initialization part is here, ith value is 0. So the doing statement is same like the output of I. While the condition will be applied, I less than 5, the incremented part will be applying here. So same in a for loop. In a for loop is a comfortable loop because initial part also in the same place, condition also in the same place, and incremented also in the same place. But in a do while, each part is in giving a separate places. So initial part is here, condition is here, incremented part is here, and the executable statements is here. So now the ith value starts from is 0, the output will be executed I. So the ith value is will be 0, but you are applying 0 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true, then only the statement will be executed. Then the ith value is incremented, that is 0 plus 0 plus 1. So it is applying again, going here, ith value now 1. So the output of I value is 1 will be executed. Then again it is checking in a condition 1 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So again it will going here, and ith value is 1. So now it is executing this line, and the output of I is 2, and it will applying here 2 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. So 2 plus in the sense 3. Again it is moving here. So ith value now is 3. So it will checking here 3 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. So the 3 values executing, and again I plus, that is 3 plus 4 is the answer. So initial value of I is 4 now. So it will apply here 4 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. The output will be executed. Then 4 plus that is 5. So we are applying ith value is 5. So here we are, the condition is checking 5 less than 5. No, 4 less than 5 is true, but 5 less than 5 we cannot say whether it is true or false. So the part is quitting. So the output is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The next topic is while loop. Only while. Suppose. So the syntax of while loop is, while the condition is true, the executable statements will be executed. While condition is true, the executable statement will be executed. So the same example, the declaration part is, we are giving a above while statements I is equal to 0, while we are giving a condition, the initial value is here. So for while the condition we are giving, so for the while the condition is I less than 5, the echo statement is the output of I, and after the braces we are giving a incremented operator. So the first ith value is 0. So the condition is applying here 0 less than 5. Yes, the ith value will be executed. So 0 will be executed. Then it is quitting, and I plus that is 0 plus again it is moving to here. I is equal to now 1, that is 1 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. The output will be 1 will be executed. Again it is coming here, when the condition is true it will be executed. I plus in the sense 1 plus that is 2. So ith value is 2 2 is less than 5, yes, the condition is true, so the statement will be, the 2 will be executed. Again 2 plus plus, in the sense 3, ith value is now 3, so 3 less than 5, yes, the condition is true, the statement will be executed, the output is 3. And 3 plus plus now, so 3 plus plus in the sense 4, so ith initial value is now 4, so while I less than 5 is 4 less than 5, yes, the condition is true, the output of I is 4. Then 4 plus plus, that is 5, so initial value of I is 5 now, so 5 less than 5 we cannot say, because 5 less than 5 it is not possible whether it is true or false, so the statement will be quit. So the output is 0 1 2 3 4. These are the three main looping statements.